Our top news this week: SmallHD expands their 4K production monitor lineup with the new CINE 13 monitor. The CINE 13 is perfect for video professionals looking for a more compact, highly portable, but also daylight viewable monitor to bring on set. And just like its bigger brother, the CINE 24, the new 13-inch model comes with a low-profile design and a 4K UHD resolution LCD display. 12G SDI connectivity and HDMI 2.0 inputs ensures compatibility with just about any professional camera on set, while the 100% Rec. 709 support and high pixel density ensures your images are always sharp and true to life. The monitor is also packed with pro monitoring tools such as 4K HDR waveform and scopes, while power options on set include gold mount or V-mount batteries via optional battery plates. Atomos has some exciting news for Ninja V and Ninja V Plus owners. The company has just announced the AtomX Cast, which is a compact accessory that turns your Ninja V into a mini video switcher. The AtomX Cast docks behind the Ninja V via the AtomX expansion port, providing 4 HDMI inputs for cameras, and connects to a laptop or PC via USB-C, where it appears as a high-quality webcam. This functionality allows you to live stream to popular platforms such as Zoom, YouTube, and Facebook without having to install drivers. In addition, the unit supports picture-in-picture, custom graphic overlays, and has the ability to mix and match frame rates up to 60p, including progressive and interlaced signals on the fly. Adobe has just released a new update to their Premiere Pro beta version with improved import and export settings. The latest update brings a refreshed interface to the import window, which was overdue for an update. And now it's easier and faster to start a project without the need to sift through complex settings, thanks to the introduction of the new header bar, which will be a universal design element across the Creative Cloud apps, providing further consistency as creatives move in and out of Adobe apps. In addition, the latest update to the beta app version brings a new export mode, which streamlines the process of exporting multiple files by focusing on where the content is being delivered. And that's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.